Before starting, ensure the technical adequacy of the X-ray. Look for proper penetration, rotation, and inspiration. Focus on lung parenchyma, soft tissues, lines/tubes, and then bones. Most acute issues are found in soft tissues. Scan systematically, starting periapical on each side, moving down the periphery, evaluating HeLa, scanning behind the heart, middle mediastinum, and then retrocardiac. Learn to threshold the lung appearance. If it looks black and hazy, call it edema. If it looks white, call it infiltrate/pneumonia. Recognize the common COPD pattern: hyperinflation, flat diaphragms, and central bully. This suggests an exacerbation. Always rule out pneumothorax for any unilateral finding. Remember the common locations: upper lobes for TB, cavitary lesions, and Pancoast tumors. Bases for CHF. Left middle lobe opacities. Think of an aspirated foreign body first. Learn the mediastinal contours and silhouette signs to localize lesions. Follow lines and tubes to the end. Know normal positions and complications to seek. Look for evidence of effusions, opacified hemidiaphragm, major fissure thickening, and loss of silhouette signs. For diffuse processes, compare to old films to distinguish chronic versus acute changes. Correlate the findings with the clinical scenario. X-ray results don't exist in a vacuum. In summary, a systematic approach, honing search pattern skills, and learning classic imaging patterns will improve speed and accuracy in chest X-ray interpretation. Experience reading large volumes of films is essential for developing efficiency. We hope the session was helpful. Do not forget to explore other high-quality and highly efficient